Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Sky. The Saturn Sky is a two-seat roadster designed to compete against the Mazda MX-5 Miata and other roadsters and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, leather upholstery, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.